Hello everyone and welcome. I'm so excited to share this journey of tidying up with you. Our homes should be our havens, places where we feel at peace and re-energized. This guide is about reclaiming that peace, step by step, room by room. So let's begin. Together. Before we even touch our belongings, let's take a moment for reflection. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve in each room? Visualize how these spaces will feel when they're tidy. This vision will be your guiding light throughout the process. Now let's take a tour of your home, not with a critical eye, but with a gentle awareness. Where does clutter gather? Which areas make you feel bogged down? Write these down in your notebook. This isn't about judgment. It's about understanding where to focus our energy. Gather your tools, baskets, boxes, labels, anything that will help you categorize and store your belongings with care. The kitchen, a space of nourishment and connection, deserves our tidying magic. Let's start by emptying our cabinets and pantry, greeting each item with a mindful eye. Do we use this spice regularly? Does this appliance spark joy, or has it been neglected? As we sort, let's express gratitude for the nourishment these items provide, and then bid farewell to what no longer serves our needs. Expired food can be discarded, while unused pantry staples can be donated. Clear containers are like windows to our pantry, allowing us to see and access everything with ease. Imagine the joy of opening a drawer and finding exactly what you need. Let's aim for a kitchen where every item has a designated place, making cooking a joyful experience. Our living rooms, often the heart of our homes, should be inviting and serene, yet they often become repositories for clutter. Let's bring back the sense of peace by first clearing surfaces. Coffee tables, side tables, and shelves. Each item deserves our attention. Does this magazine bring us joy, or has it been sitting here unread for months? Next, let's assess our furniture. Could we benefit from pieces with built-in storage? Ottomans with hidden compartments or a coffee table with drawers can work wonders in concealing clutter. Cables and wires have a way of disrupting the visual harmony of a space. Let's tame those unruly cords with cable organizers, creating a sense of visual peace. Choose a few pieces that spark joy and rotate them seasonally to keep the space feeling fresh and vibrant. The bedroom, our sanctuary for rest and rejuvenation. Let's begin by opening our closets and greeting our clothes with a grateful heart. Does this garment make me feel confident and beautiful? Have I worn it in the past year? If the answer is no, it's time to let it go with gratitude. Matching hangers bring a sense of visual calm to our closets. Under the bed, storage bins become homes for seasonal items or extra bedding, keeping everything organized and out of sight. Our nightstands, often repositories for books, lotions, and other bedtime essentials, deserve a tidying touch as well. Let's empty each drawer, discarding expired products and keeping only what truly brings us joy and aids in our nightly rituals. Folding our clothes using the KonMari method not only maximizes space, but also infuses a sense of mindfulness into the simple act of putting away laundry. Our bathrooms should be our personal spas, spaces of rejuvenation and self-care. Let's begin by discarding expired makeup, skincare, and medications, creating space for what truly serves us. Do we truly use this many lotions and potions? Keeping only our essential daily items within easy reach simplifies our routines and minimizes visual clutter. Stackable bins maximize space in our cabinets, while drawer dividers separate makeup brushes, toiletries, and grooming tools. Installing shelves or a storage unit above the toilet provides a home for extra towels, toilet paper, and other bathroom essentials. Our home offices, whether dedicated rooms or cozy nooks, should inspire productivity and focus. Yet, paperwork and clutter often threaten to overwhelm these spaces. Let's begin by tackling the paper piles. Sort through each document, discarding what's no longer needed and creating a filing system for important papers. Digitizing documents can also free up valuable physical space. Drawer organizers become our allies in taming the chaos of pens, paper clips, and sticky notes. A well-organized filing system is essential for maintaining order in a home office. Invest in a filing cabinet or portable file box and create a system that works for you. Cable ties and sleeves bring a sense of calm to the often chaotic world of electronics, creating a more visually appealing and functional workspace. Garages and basements, often relegated to the status of catch-all spaces, deserve our tidying attention as well. Let's begin by sorting through our belongings, creating designated piles for items to keep, donate, and discard. Heavy-duty shelving units are our best friends in the garage and basement, providing sturdy homes for bins and boxes filled with our belongings. Clear bins allow us to see what's inside without the need for disruptive rummaging. And of course, labels are key. Clearly labeled bins ensure that everything is easy to find and put away. For tools, a pegboard is a must-have, transforming a chaotic jumble into a visually appealing and easily accessible display. A rolling toolbox is another great option for keeping frequently used tools organized and within reach. Clear bins, labeled by season, keep holiday decorations, sporting equipment, and other seasonal items organized and protected until they're needed. Children's spaces filled with the boundless energy of play can be both joyful and chaotic. Let's embrace the joy while creating a sense of order that empowers our little ones to participate in the tidying process. Begin by involving your children in sorting through their toys. What do they play with regularly? What has been outgrown or forgotten? Donating toys not only creates more space but also teaches valuable lessons about generosity and letting go. Toy storage should be accessible and visually appealing to children. Cubbies or bins labeled with pictures or words for younger children make it easy for little ones to find and put away their treasures. Rotating toys regularly can also keep things fresh and engaging, preventing boredom and clutter buildup. Lower hooks and shelves in closets allow little ones to reach their clothes independently, fostering a sense of responsibility and self-reliance. As we conclude our tidying journey, take a moment to appreciate the transformation in your home and within yourself. Remember, tidying is not a one-time event but rather a continuous practice of mindful living. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more inspiring content. Happy organizing!